So Shadcn recently launched something big, the MCP server along with the namespace registries. But before we dive into that, let's first understand what MCP actually is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge that lets your AI assistants like Claude, Cursor, VS Code, or any other AI code editor communicate with the external libraries or system. So why is it so much exciting for us developers? So think like you want to build a beautiful website or a project and you need some components from any external library, then you have to go on their website. Like if you wanna install ScrollX UI components, you have to go in our website like a ScrollX UI profile card component. Good. So you want to install this component. Then you can install this component by using two methods, CLI or manual. Manually, you can install the following dependencies or copy paste method, or by CLI, just copy this following command and paste in your terminal or your AI system. And this component will be installed in your project. But if you want to install multiple components from other libraries also, like you have seen so many libraries and you like components from other libraries also, so you have to go on their website again and again and you have to read their docs and then you have to use the CLI and manual method. So you can skip all this process. You just you just need to configure the MCP client by using the following commands. For cloud code, you you have to select the preferred package manager you are using. So you need to copy this command and paste in your uh, AI system, and then your MCP client is ready with Shadcn MCP server. You can now configure the registries in your component.json file, and then you can install any components from their uh, registry. So, like if you have to install components from ScrollX UI, like this profile card component you want to install, you just need to you just need to go on your component.json file, and then you have to copy this and paste in your components.json file, and you configured our library there, and then this registries allow you to install any component from our uh, ScrollX UI library. You don't need to come in our website again and again. You just manually uh, you just manually run the following commands like npx shadcn at latest add ScrollX UI profile card, and this profile card will install in your project, and you can search and view components from registries before installing them. So it is very useful for developers, and it saves our lot of time, and it is easy to handle so many registries. Like right now, so many registries have so many cool components, and developers can configure any registry in that component.json file, and then they can uh, install it in their project. So that's it. It's cool and super easy. You should check out ui.shadcn.com docs MCP, and then if you want to use our ScrollX UI registry, then configure our ScrollX UI in comment.json file and you're good to go. So that's all. Uh, let's see you in another video. Till then, have a good day.